In this exercise 1.3 second bit, in that third one and fourth problems now, third one is also repeating is the bar. This is called 0.729. Bar is for 2 and 9. Okay now? This is let it be taken as let x is equals 0.729 bar. Which part is repeating? Bar. 29. 29, 29, 29 is repeating. Now in this, what is the period? Period. Which part is repeating? That is the period. 29 is the period. How many decimals are repeating? How many decimals are there in that city? 2. 1, 2 decimals. 1, 2. 2 decimals are repeating. Whenever the 2 decimals are repeating, multiply with 100. 1 decimal is repeating, multiply with 10. 2 decimals are repeating, multiply with 100. 3 decimals are repeating, multiply with 1000. Now here 2 decimals are repeating, therefore multiply the equation 1 on both sides with 100. Now hence from this 100x, that it gives point forwards, 2 steps forward with 100 into something. 100 into something. This point comes after 2 digits. So 72 point 9292 as is 929292 so on. Okay now this is the equation 2. Now what we have to do? Subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Now it becomes 100x is equals to, what is that? 72.929292 so on. Now the equation 1 is 0 point. Under the point at first we have to observe. Point should be in the same place. Before the point is 0. After the point is 7292929 and so on. Now by subtracting 0 0 0 0 0, here 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 7 2, point, place of the point is the same, 2 minus 0 2, 7 equal to, here x is nothing but 1x, x is nothing but 1x, 100 minus 1 is 99x. Now this can be written, x is equals to, by numerator is how much? 72.2. 72.2. After the 2, number of zeros are there. No need to write that. Okay. By this 99 into here, multiplication becomes a division. 99. If we observe this here, in the numerator there is a point. Without points we have to write. Now 722. After the point, 1 decimal is there. Put 10 in the denominator. Already 99 is there. Put 10 in the denominator. This is a value of 0.729 bar. There is a simplification possibility is there. Simplify this. Okay. Now 2 table it will be cancelled. This is a 445. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 2 1s are. Now this is the simplest form of this one. 0.72929 bar. Here shortcut we can do for this 0.72929 bar. You can write directly 729 minus first complete number we have to write. First complete number 0729 means 729 minus, except bar, 29 is having the bar, close it. 29 is having the bar, close it. The remaining number 07 means 7. Subtract that number by repeating. In the decimal part 1, 2, 3 decimals is there. In the decimal part 1, 2, 3 decimals. 2 decimals are having bar. So 2 decimals, 2 nines. 1 decimal without bar. So 1 0. Now this becomes 722 by 990. Have we got the same? So this is a shortcut for this. Now go for the next fourth problem. 12.28 bar. Let it be considered as x. X is equals to 12.2. 8 is only repeating. 8, 8, 8 so on. This is taken as equation 1. In this, what is the period? Period means Which part is repeating? Which part is repeating? 8. 8 is only repeating. So 8 is the period. Periodicity. How many decimals are repeating? Only one decimal. That one is 8. 8 is repeating only one decimal. So periodicity is 1. Whenever it is only one decimal repeating, then multiply with 10 on both sides to equation 1. Multiply equation 1 on both sides with 10. So then it becomes 10x is equals to this point. Whenever we multiply 10, only one decimal. For the point forwards, only one decimal. Already 1, 2 is there. This point forwards afterwards. So 2. Here point. That point comes here. Point. Remaining are 8, 8, 8, 8, so on. This is equation 2. Now what we have to do? Subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Now 10x is equals to 122.8888 so on. Now equation 1 is point. Under the point same we have to take. What is x? 12 point. Before that 12. Decimal to decimal we have to write as in the order. 12.2888 so on. Now subtraction. So on. 8 minus 8 0 0 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. Point is point as is. 2 minus 2 0. 2 minus 1 1. This is 1. That it gives. Here nothing is means 1. 10x minus 1x 9x. Now x is equals to. Now write the number 110.6 by 9. Now we have to write without point. 1106. After the point 1 decimal by 9 is there. As is we have to write first. 1106 by 9. After the point 1 decimal is there. So put 10 in the denominator by removing the point. Now this is a simplification. Both are divisible by 2 table. Cancel it. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 245. This is a what is x? 12.28 bar. Shortcut for this also. What is it? 12.28 bar. First we have to write complete number. 1228. 1228. First we have to write complete number minus. Now except bar, the remaining number we have to write. Bar is having only for 8. Only for 8. Remaining is 1, 2, 2. Except 8. Okay. 1, 2, 2. By how many decimals are repeating? Only one decimal is repeating. So 19. How many decimals are not repeating? After the point. 1, 2. 2 decimals are there. 2 decimals are there. Only one decimal is repeating. So 19 we have to write. One more decimal. This decimal is not repeating. So 10. Now simplify this. 1228 minus 122. How much we will get? 1106 by 90. By simplifying this, we will get the same part. See, shortcut only 2 steps. But this is a procedure. This is important for us. Okay, like this we have to solve the problems.